How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys a lower chest workout that you can do at home, no equipment needed. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys two exercises. These two exercises will help you get your lower chest bigger. So the first exercise that we're going to do is going to be very good. I highly recommend following along at home. After we do the first exercise, we're going to take a 30-second break, and then we're going to do the next exercise, and then we're going to keep doing that until the end of our workout. So the first exercise that we're doing is going to be a decline push-up, you guys. So we're going to get into this position. We're going to put our feet on anything that's elevated like so. And then all we're gonna do now is do our push-ups. This is gonna put a ton of stress on our lower chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, 10 push-ups. We're gonna take a break. You can do more push-ups if you want. I highly recommend just starting the workout out slowly, doing 10 repetitions, taking a 30-second break, doing the other exercise, and I can already feel it in my chest, you guys. So very good workout, 30-second break, then we're gonna do the other exercise. Rest periods are very important if you're trying to build muscle. You can do these exercises back to back to back if you want to, but in my opinion, it's better to just use a 30-second break. This allows your muscles to recover, and this is what we really want to see if we're building muscle, you guys. So again, 10 more seconds, then we're gonna do our next exercise. So our next exercise, you guys, is going to be a push-up, but it's gonna be more stress on our lower chest. So to do that, all you have to do is change up your hand positioning. So generally, your hand positioning for your push-up would be your hand position is shoulder width right underneath your shoulders, like so. What we're going to do, we're gonna put our hands to our side. So when we're doing our push-up, our hands are to our side now, just like this. When we do our push-up, it puts more stress on our lower chest. So we're gonna lean as far forward as we can. This puts all the pressure on our lower chest. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As far as you lean forward, that puts more stress on your lower chest. So the more forward you lean, the more stress is on our lower chest, you guys. Very, very important, you guys. Very easy workout to do. Not very easy to do, but you will see results by doing this if you guys do it. Okay, so we're gonna take our 30-second break. It's almost up, and then we're gonna keep doing our exercises, you guys. This way, you will see results. Trust me on this. By doing this, you're gonna see some crazy, crazy, crazy results in your lower chest. So we're gonna get back into this position. We're gonna do our 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Followed by a 30-second break, and then we will do our next one. So again, my chest is already demolished, you guys. It is very, very good workout. I love doing these kinds of workout, especially for when we're targeting our lower and our upper chest. A lot of people think you only need weights to do this, or the only way you can do it is using weights. That is completely false. You can build a huge chest just using body weight movements. And if you look at a lot of people out there, a lot of people have developed crazy, crazy physiques only doing body weight movements, you guys. So let's get to it. We'll do our push-ups again and again. Make sure your hand positioning, that it's by the side, and we're leaning forward as far as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Just like that, 30-second break, you guys. This is really making my chest pumped up, which is very good. That's what we're trying to get when we're doing these exercises. So 10 more seconds, then we're going to do it again. So we're gonna do it again, you guys. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30-second break. Then we'll do our push-up. Whew. Very good workout so far, you guys. Hopefully you guys are following along with me at home. This is how you guys are going to see results. Make sure you do follow along at home. So we're gonna do our push-ups again. Again, hand positioning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, you guys. We're gonna take a little break. Then I'm gonna talk to you guys about nutrition. Okay, so I want to talk a little bit about nutrition with you guys, just because nutrition is very important, you guys. Nutrition is what's going to allow you guys to build muscle. So I'm out of breath, you guys, because that was a tough workout. You really felt it in your lower chest. That's how you build muscle using body weight movements. So talking about nutrition, talking about diet, you guys, very important when you're trying to build muscle. We eat in a caloric surplus and we progressively overload. So we do more in some way to either make the exercise harder, increase range of motion, increase weight, increase sets, increase reps, whatever. But as long as we're progressively overload, we're doing something more than we've done before. It's as simple as that, but that must be done. You must progressively overload if you want to see results. The second tip is you got to eat in a caloric surplus if you're going to want to see results. Now, people make a huge mistake by eating way too much food, not tracking their calories, and they end up getting fat. So what you want to make sure that you do is track your calories, you guys. Tracking your calories is going to be absolutely huge. You have got to make sure that you are tracking your calories. Another thing, weigh your food. You got to weigh your food. If you're not weighing your food, then you're not tracking your calories. You got to weigh your food, you guys. Now, to weigh your food, all you need is to get a cheap food scale. Doesn't have to be super expensive. $10 to $20 will work perfectly fine. So get a food scale. Then what you want to do is you're going to weigh all of your food. Now, how do you weigh your food? You're simply going to put a bowl on your scale. You're going to zero it out, and then you're going to put the item on the bowl. It's as simple as that. It'll tell you a number. You put that number in MyFitnessPal. MyFitnessPal is the app that I recommend for tracking your calories. It's a very good app. You will see results, and it's super easy to use, you guys. So again, MyFitnessPal, weighing your food. Another thing too, tracking your calories. So tracking your calories, weighing your food, using MyFitnessPal. Those 3 tips will help you build muscle. Another thing, I talked about tracking your calories. You got to make sure you're in a caloric surplus. So in order to find out if you're in a caloric surplus or not, you first need to make sure that you understand what your caloric maintenance intake level is. So whatever your calorie maintenance intake is, that's how many calories you need per week to maintain your weight. So if you need 2,500 calories per week to maintain your weight, in order to build muscle, we're gonna add about 250 calories to that. So we'll be eating 2,750 calories. This will give you about half a pound of body weight gain each week. In a month, that's 2 pounds. In a year, that's 24 pounds. Now, a lot of you are thinking, well, 24 pounds, that's not very much. That is a lot of muscle added on, trust me. So if you're just starting off, you wanna add muscle, do it slowly. That is the #1 tip I will give you, do it slowly. If you try to add weight too fast, you're just gonna get fat. Once you get fat, then you have to spend a lot of time trying to get rid of that fat. So it's easier, just do it slower. Trust me on this, you guys. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.